Chairman Tang, an M4 Chairman Tang, actually tried to exit this gate. And the only remaining original part of this gate is this. This is the only remaining original structure of the gate. There's a sculpture over here and here. This is the only original part of the gate. All of this is a faithful replica of the original gate. Run by Manila. And on that fateful day of June 18, 1871, a battle between the Sulaiman and the Spanish soldiers happened, and the Spanish soldiers captured the space. And after a week, they have established the space as the capital of the Philippines. It became Manila, June 24.